Morning delivery.
Les phrases le matin. So what's missing from all these?
The kick at 20
10 mil. Yeah.
or 10 or 20 mil, I don't remember.
So that's the top bit there that sits down, and the front face here. It should have a little kick, shouldn't it? Right. Yeah. That
So
makes
normally
sense.
we have 1, 2,
Yeah.
1, 2,
We need
3,
6.
4.
1,
5.
2, 3, 4. No, 6. 6 reveals.
No, 5.
3 windows. Got a reveal on either side of the window.
Yes, but next to the door, it's a big one, if you remember. It's a U shape.
Oh, okay. Oh yes, that's it. We decided. Yeah. Right. Okay. Well, that makes sense.
Yes.
Okay. Panic over.
You have it?
I do.
Okay.
Thunder in the air. Very, very exciting this morning. This is all the pliage, which is all the folded metal that's going to cover up all the bits of wood that you guys have been seeing. So now we are going to put everything inside. Essentially, we want the last stuff that we're going to fit at the back and the first stuff at the front. So when we come to grab it, we can just literally work our way through it and not step over all this stuff, because any false movements, if we land or drop on the other bits, then we could really do some damage to all of it. As you can see, there's an insulation strip all the way through there, but there is also a gap. Why is there a gap? Well, the pliage is going to basically fix into that gap, and then we're going to put some wedges in there, and then we can foam it. So essentially, it'll have a nice crisp finish to the pliage with the folded metal. It'll just go in to the edge of the frame like that, and then foam it up from there. Everything will look lovely and it'll be nice and warm, which is the whole point of putting all this insulation on.
So again, I go first.
Okay.
Ah yes, it was the little... Normally...
I think
Okay, I will find an answer.
I've got this. I have an idea.
Yes,
you might
tell
not
me.
like it. Let's take this out
Yeah.
and get a palette knife in and see if
Yes.
we can. I just don't. I think we're going to be fighting these every single time otherwise.
Oh, it's just only 4?
I know, but we should have just put a 1mm packer at the back. So let's get a palette knife and see if we can get it up there and prise it forwards slightly and make our lives easier. Making it. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's warm, isn't it?
Yes.
Goodness me. Standing in front of metal when the sun's out. Who would have thought?
Ah.
Nice and easy now.
Normally it's okay.
Okay, alright. Push it at the same time. After something. I think it's better if we twist this around and go back to the way we were doing it.
Okay. It's not l'hiver. Done?
Right, pull it out.
Yeah.
Hey, well done, mate. Well done, that man. I guess, yeah, it doesn't really matter, does it?
No, it goes above.
There's a bigger gap, so. And you've done this here already, so we can push it up in?
Yes. So again, I start first.
Yep, ladies first.
Always.
Always. Oh, hang on, a bit tight this one. Hang on.
It's tight.
We've got some insulation
Okay.
load here, it's got to come out. Whoop. Let me shave.
A little bit. Yes, I'm in. Yes, I'm fully in. Okay.
Right. Our technique is evolving. Don't sing. now, how much do we
You
dare?
can. You don't have to worry. It's okay.
I might just leave it up.
I push everything down. Hop! We don't touch.
Run away! As you can see, Merlin's got on very, very well. Now, I need to cut away a bit of insulation. I'm going to show you, and don't judge. So we have an end of a panel, the original factory edge, which has got like kind of female edge to it on this side. So I've had to fill it with a bit of foam, and now I'm going to cut it flush all the way down through before we put the pliage on there.
It's very tight.
Toika.
Yes. Yes, it's Wait.
Alright. Look at that. Well, there's something you don't see every day. A great day. I'm so happy with this. It looks amazing. I can't wait to live here. I'm tired, so I'll keep this brief. I hope you've all enjoyed this one, and like and subscribe as always, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.